se si e kasi e chiche osika e chiche sika wa Ghana ha mimi no mi ene nya bi o ye nya bi nyanso ye wade bu ha ye de ba e matimamufu e fra bibi national benefit me ti magazine ha me nya mfaso ni bi
say ewiase no life no me hu ni say enipa bia no say enesika ba onsem no anhweso yie na sika ne firi onsem a eye din anza no wasa anya sika no wabedi o man no so bi wabaye assembly man wabaye MP wabaye minister wabaye vice president wabaye president wadi akonya ni bia angasa enti nkaye kon bia chesa ngotimi bua Ghana pa de a ankaye Mahama eso no so pa na ntima amwa Ghana enti so akosua ni mistake no oba bi wa me de me nyini ze nyankopon kra no so wu a okwa onga njo ze undimo ka nje ze ja ma wu akwa ja me srawo me pese me sa akọ me hu me mobo na me nko back na me nko tutu me niam yie na me nye den na me nsamla me ye ni ye wanya wu ni de wanya wu a konya bia ni ho biu enti za Mahama so oba bi wa me pese ni de me nyini ze obenya aba no because nje so ha ne ho kra because wanya aba eno ye hu de waye waye awie wantima anye so oba ye ho kire ya nkasa
sans se o twavie nan no nim so was police we ho and the person kire say first 4 years in there or the experiment or the fian there and the vein o call recording mistakes in Libya. He wanted to come back and do another government yate say eye sabe odibida emran so man ho kwan so to mi sa pribiem yensi ho kwan na ye de ye se amfo ana kire no nto aso amfo ana kire no nto aso se Ghana fo na hwe adwuma we ye no mo hwe adwuma Jo Mahama eye na esese ye de amamuo ni ma Jo Mahama o Ghana fo ho ye be ma na Akufo so o Ghana fo ho
oh ma be ye bi o musu ba o mutimi ye bi bet onzo o dan o mkosi si ye school dan o mkosi si nwura mu so o mu be ye bi o bet o mba o mu se sika no o di ko he agriculture ma o mkosi school ni bi si agri college chiri o ba bi so obi free ya be obi free akiremade obi free yi no o ba school atambe no o be nante o ba nwura we ma ba school so o ko yi kwan so sunwan kwan so ankinkan su lai o makosi bi esi nwura mu o ba bi ade enzo nga betima si esi krom say a day school a chese school ni bakrom unante kura na so obeti be okra no eduma dem odwane akọ so ntia no ne ma na day school na akosi day school si nwura mu a ehọ na enwura mu school no akosi asi
tina me kasa amfo ye vra bibi pani badeni omo modo ye se wo bomu na kire wado na dwuma pa obeye no na mamu papa no ebe kire se ebe sa manufie na aka ho a onu a wodadwene wo obehunu onu a obehunu se manufie na so na be ma na Akufo no so dadwene ho onu so behunu na Akufo de ka sembi o se MPP poli sa Dankwa Dombo tradition no they don't pay money for power. They don't pay money for power. Omo try something near my papa be o mo pani Akufo be bu man me o mo pani Akufo. He is the icon of Dankwa Dombo tradition and he is the most successful man in the Dankwa Dombo tradition. Only the team leading party dom two consecutive terms. Omo pani Akufo na mo bi otutu ye na ne pevu we man na Akufo do 2016 Ghana for we so de to aba man na Akufo do. Na Akufo so ni ya wo ye no enso kire se e be yi kwan so ama foforo bi on so be ba bia Ghana for be so ato aba man. Ndi ze wu ni a wo tira ba bi na wo ka se me ba mezi a enye se wo kan wano keke wo
aban aba manim nyina no na nado one ni baba wo mi aba mi hunu bi da ene ma omo ye no 4 years enso ye ase obu ko 8 years ene ma omo ye no ase obi o ko 8 years no be fra konwa so edu ase ke nyina tusi abanten se ye nto ba on to aso de me kan no
we ni nipa esese ejai oman ma no ompe basa opasumdue oman kan kro no pe ana wona koma so wonyene se yamfa de na amaminti jantom dabi. And these are the people we should recognize, we should respect, and we should allow them to lead a country. But ɛno ho na Ghana for no kɔto aba 2016 hwɛ Ghana ha yɛnto aba ma bi nsi da sitting government that is incumbent na yɛato aba na opposition atima renew more than 1 million votes. One more Gazan Grano and this for an sense and this baby from runners a term Sabesi Nano about 2 years 2012 Abano 2016 Abano. A more experiences said defeated that.
Mina Bibini, me a Ghana and a Mahuna Maker. Mina Bibini, me made 2 million of your head. Obama Maya Tumpong, the Macanasem. Some impressions of 1 pure and so make Canasem. Banana, or any Baba Umiano. O mama mu omubu no Ghana mi hunu bi da enfia mi ensa ne kakra na o mo ya kire no na mo amore.
The intellectuals in the NDC, you know, they don't admire John Mahama, but Akoya Bibi said the grassroots like him, they will allow him to go. They won't Grovophobia. They don't participate the activities when Mahama was in power. Omu the party members and they are the founding members of the party, but some activities they don't take part. Maybe they may have some meeting here and some woman culture and them say no didn't say he is the master or he is the commander in chief. You can't dictate for him. Politics is not like that.
Someone can maybe say about my near fear mahuni die. Obia no an yonkune Baumiane ne papa no o mama mu omubu. Ati se pipi de na mo tuntwene kura.
No kasa se Ghana ni, me no kasa se Somalia ni. Me kasa no me kasa se Ghana ni o. Enti me tuko na me ko bibia, e be kasa Ghana ni no. Nyansa ne abomidin. Enti na me ka je se ba bi oduan gina no, ho na ne ba gina. John Mahama na by in the name of NDC, Wama in the name of himself, he came to contest. I wonder something go to NDC leading council was Chachuti Kata. John Mahama leading council was Tony Luther. And Chachuti Kata was defend some questions when they were just arguing with Anderson. They were just arguing on some questions. Chachuti Kata was defending John Mahama. And when Atuguba declared John Mahama as a winner, Chachuti Kata was laughing and he was just saying that they have achieved what they wanted to achieve. And the why say, Kawanka say, John Mahama didn't win. Or say, NDC didn't win.
So, we are Ghana there, a near Mamunupe. A young BB NDC, and the end means the Santa, we are here. We call maybe as a Nigeria for opposition leader and a Omomotisono. Sana ko US so I think say be to sa baby ano I say ko abusuam kura na ye wonko fo bo mu ho odin wa abusuanim eye ba ye wo ye do mesa nkonya ne wo mu be yiska ya aduma no nti sa na MPP ni NDC no so akoye
both the NDC and MPP no omuna dominate as at now and there's nothing you can do to change it. NDC and MPP, they are the leaders of the of our political system. They are the masters of the country. We are there, and this year, MPP. Bibi for my idea. A party from opposition. No, to my crack. Now, Timine incumbent party, a political party, leading political party, Timina Benya, the same supporter. Omumienu, some people could have 10 million supporters, and NDC could have 10 million supporters. And I own Grovobi or her, Omono, they vote to a political party based on a manifesto and our policy be our beba. Omono omuni political party. Omono bako ko to abana mount say o manifesto asemi. And this o manifesto na de beba no osesena say ebe boa wono na be boa ne nkrofobia. Then you go and vote for that political party. Omono they don't omuni specific party a omo support. Enti say John Mahama na mon homodin and this in a man who would do. Yet, the Niman said, Mimian Yefu, the Colonel Bene, and this fraternity in there, umbrella fraternity. You can't compare them to MPP. And one more soon, or said, on your comparison, you can't compare this to CPP. Oh, say, John Mahama, or Mono, or you be your intelligent papa, Samino, ohun se mle bi omu ye aye program bi a maami o en running mate no ono na moderate ye wone ayi afran say akoye on say MPP Minister of Information Opon Nkrumah omu ne na moderators of that program no ohun so omu fa kwan bi so akofa akwa bi Hassan Yarika ndogwa hwa kof obabu bo wadi distracted nana guvard sa nana guvard kasa na ma ohun zanzam no ono da bia no he wanted you to dance and he just observed certain things from you then no so the ono de aba na ebi ase no mameka asam kire akro obewu no ajize Yesu Kristo nkwa na beti maje ne nkwa Jombodu no so no wadi politics why am I osama che onya akra Jombodu he came as an acting secretary when Kwamina Japan misbehaved and Jombodu was taking in charge later no watima ya juma na ma say wa be substantive secretary and you know inside Ghana politics sometimes no you assemble how we can obetie ne tra be assemble on so kan o de wagene fa ho obetima ka say no kre unless say it's here unjintum absolutely say definitely na ebesi sa but somehow no obetima ka say ebetima si sa nti Jombodu kan odi ka say Jombodu no sebe onya akra with mama nyosem wa binimu and this is when they know him say well leading party no as acting secretary at the party have power ama now as a substantive secretary and he will do everything so as the party in power.